Hey there YouTube, Noah's back here with another video. So this is a little project we've been working on, me and my brother. He's behind the camera. He actually helped me film it, so it makes it a little better video for y'all, hopefully. So basically what this was, it's a 16-foot utility trail. Not a car trail, it's a utility trail because of the size. But basically what we're doing is we're putting a set of racks on here, and then we're going to put another set of racks, another beam across here, all the way. It's going to be for hauling siding, walkboards, poles, ladders, all that kind of stuff. This is my parents' trailer, and we're doing it for them. So, basically all this is 2-inch square tubing, and we just attach it straight to the railing itself, and just built up from there. So, we have everything tacked in, some of it welded out, some of it's not. We still got to put the cross members in, and then we're going to take some expanded steel and put it on the sides here. And on the front, so we can put stuff in there, not worry about it blowing out. So that's kind of one of the little project we're working on right now. Take it over here I'll do a review on this later on, but we're using the bandsaw. Went through 2 blades in like 3 minutes. So we then picked up this. I've been looking at these for a while. I used one of my buddy's one and I loved it. So he had a different brand one, but so I broke down and bought one. Wasn't exactly the one I was looking at, but I didn't really have one in mind, so I picked it up. So far I like it. It's a lot quicker, a lot faster than all the than using the bandsaw. So far I haven't chewed through a blade, which they are $100, they are $10, but still just so much quicker. It just cut right through stuff almost like you're dealing with wood. So I'm gonna do a separate review on that, but so far I'm liking it. But yeah, that's just a little project for this. It's all tacked up. We're trying to get it all tacked up today, so then tacking up, I got my brother's help. That way tomorrow I can come over and just weld it out if need be. So, but yeah, I just want to do a little update. I'll do a video probably later on, and then a couple more on this project. It's just too long to film it, and it's going to be way too much footage if I put a time lapse on it. But that's about all we got today. So I'll bring y'all back once we get small. Thank you. Howdy YouTube. So just finished up this. Got it all caged in. Got the old gate put back on. It's all just expanded steel. Like I said, it's gonna be for siding, and we are basically probably scrap siding here. You still put poles and everything on here. I'm thinking this right here. Originally we were gonna put them all at this height all the way down. That way you put poles in there, step ladders and everything on top. But right now we got that. So all we got to do is I'm pretty much finished up. I got to add some hooks and stuff, but as of right now the main structure is done. This in the back gate I think is what we're gonna be able to put poles on and stuff. So yeah, it came out pretty good, I gotta say. I got no complaints. I just put a piece of diamond thread that I had across there. That way we extended it. We extended it 6 inches back because it was exactly 6 foot. And when you ever get 6 foot wood, it's a little, it could be 6'1", 6'2", just it's a little too tight for what they wanted. So yeah, we got it all done. Probably overbuilt it, but you know, hey, if it ain't overbuilt, it ain't built, right? My dad came down and he looked at it. He was like, "Good God!" He was like, "I don't think nothing's gonna come apart." I'm like, "Yeah, I don't think so either." Put the old Millmatic 250 to work. She worked out pretty good. Didn't skip a beat. Yeah, found out easy to put on the trailer. That way we could get back and forth from either side. We had it over here, and then that just wasn't working. But yeah, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up, and then we just gotta put some primer on this, and we're gonna get it primed up, and he's gonna run it for a little while, see how he likes it, because I know there's gonna be some changes. And yeah, once we get the changes, then we'll come revisit it and go from there. But man, I am sweaty and dirty. But yeah, that's basically what we got going on here. Nothing too exciting. Just gonna finish it up now. I gotta get cleaned up and load the truck back up so I can use the truck. Then, it took a little bit too long on this, but hey, it is what it is. But yeah, that's basically what we got going on here. Nothing too exciting. Just gonna finish it up now. I gotta get cleaned up and load the truck back up so I can use the truck. Then took a little bit too long on this, but hey, it is what it is. But yeah, so trying to think of anything else I want to tell y'all about. That chop saw I got. So far, so good. I mean, it cut everything on this trail, which is quite a bit of square tube. And it was only 1/8 inch wall, but still didn't. It was quick, didn't skip a beat, nothing like that. So I'm impressed. I mean, I think I'm gonna try running it for the next week or two, and if don't have no issue, hey, we'll keep it. I didn't plan on bringing it back, but you never know with that kind of stuff. But yeah, so if anybody looking at it's the Ionton, I think, from Northern Supply. It was like 280 or something, 260. So I don't think it's too bad. I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and pick up a blade. This one's not bad, but just so I have one. Same with my Soul Saw. I gotta pick up another blade for that. Just so I have them, so I'm not scrambling to try finding one when they do go out. Just keep one on backup, and when I use that one, order another one. Find out backups are key. It's key. But still gotta find some decent blades for the bandsaw. Just get that back going, cause it's still a good saw. It's just for what we're doing, the chop saw worked out so much better. But yeah, trying to think. Yeah, so I got some more videos coming up, but I know it's not gonna be that long of a video. I should have been a time lapse, but it just took way too long for me to do this. So, but yeah, all this 100% MIG welded. It ain't gonna go nowhere. It's 1/8 inch tubing. The thickest we had on here was 3/16 in a couple spots. Attaching it, cranked the welder up, boned it in. It won't go nowhere. So now, if y'all think I overbuilt this, put a thumbs up there. So I probably did. I know I did. But if y'all think I didn't, okay, put a like if you think I overbuilt it. Put a and then share the video. Or yeah, share the video if you don't think I did. Well, do whatever y'all want. But I do appreciate y'all watching. Just gonna get cleaned up, get everything put back in the truck, get the truck put back together, get the rest of the steel off the truck, and hopefully by then my brother will be here just to make sure we don't I know he needs some hooks and stuff. I'm not exactly sure what he wants to wear, so I'll wait for him to figure that out. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I know it's a short video, but yeah, it's a video. But I want to talk to y'all later.